Weblogic Administration. Are you ready for an exciting career opportunity in Weblogic Administration? Welcome to People Prime Worldwide. India's largest IT staffing company is looking for a talented Weblogic Administrator. Key skills: Weblogic, JDBC, SSL certificates, deployment, configuration. Responsibilities: providing Level 2 Weblogic administration support, ensuring optimal performance across all systems. Strong knowledge of deployment and will be responsible for installing and configuring Weblogic on various applications and web servers in diverse environments. Keeping relevant stakeholders informed, you will prepare detailed reports on the health of all sites, highlighting any issues or improvements. Database configuration, JDBC providers, data sources, and virtual hosting to enhance system efficiency and performance. You will plan and implement fix packs, refresh packs, and manage version migrations to keep our systems up to date. Job location: Mumbai. Work experience: 4.5 to 7 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Employment type: permanent. Work mode: work for office. CTC: 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs yearly. Notice period: immediate to 30 days only. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.